Someone just posted a great review about us and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. This kind of feedback is so important to us because it lets us know we're doing a great job for everyone, and that just motivates us even more to keep providing the best service we can for years to come. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us today and let us give you the same amazing service.